JYC high-frequency automatic panel production line. It inherits the high flatness and high efficiency of the traditional high-frequency board joining machine. It also has the advantages of wide applicability, labor saving, material saving, salary saving, and so on. It has the following 5 advantages. First, highly intelligent. Automatically complete fitting, glue supply, glue application, board arrangement, and pressing, discharging, pelletizing. Second, safe glue. With automatic glue dispensing, glue supply and glue application system. No manual glue dispensing. About 25 less glue than traditional manual methods. Third, non-adhesive chain conveyor belt. The operating table with nano-scale metal coating does not require laborious glue removal. Fourth, save manpower. Fully automatic assembly line operation requires only one person to operate, with low labor intensity. Fifth, intelligent joining of unequal width materials. Adopts the whole line operating system independently developed by JYC. Both equal width and unequal width materials can be jointed intelligently. It is suitable for the splicing of batch finger joint bluelum, street panel, and furniture panel, and the processing parameters of various sizes are preset.